Let's know about Ronald food processor. This is Ronald food processor's main body. It is made of ABS plastic, which makes it completely shock-proof. This is PCB, on, off, turbo, and electronic speed controller through which we can set different speed levels. Due to the safety system, there is no chance of any accidents. Due to the different types of blades and discs, all the work is done in just a couple of seconds. We also have circuit breakers which make Ronald food processor completely safe. This is the top lock wherein we can see the lock and unlock option written. When we put the lock above the mixer and rotate it in a parallel line, we lock the top lock. This is the food processor's bowl. To attach the bowl, we keep the handle of the bowl near to the PCB and rotate it from left to right. In this way, the bowl gets locked. Now we can see that the bowl cover, which has a lock on top of it, when we put the bowl cover on the top of the bowl and rotate it from left to right, we can lock the bowl cover. Now we can see that the bowl cover is locked properly. Now we'll see the different types of attachments. This is steel blade, which is made of pre-hardened stainless steel. This is a multi-purpose blade used for dough kneading, cutting, chopping, beating, mincing, etc. To use this blade, we have to put it in the bowl and press it gently. After that, we will put the bowl cover and it is ready to be used. When the bowl cover and the top lock is in parallel line, it means that the machine is perfectly locked. Now we will turn over to our next attachment, which is plastic blade. When we put the blade in the bowl and press it gently, it gets locked. It is also used in the same way as steel blade. Whenever we use steel blade or plastic blade, the speed has to be kept at maximum. This is big shaft. Once the bowl has been locked, we have to attach the shaft into it. We also have three types of blades: slicer, finger chips and shredder, and it's very easy to use these blades. This is slicer blade, which has corrugated edge at one end. We put that edge at one side of the disc and press the other end gently. Now the disc is ready to be used. We put this disc over the big shaft and press it gently, and then we cover it with the bowl cover and lock it. When steel blade and plastic blade are not in use, the speed has to be kept at minimum and keep the processor on or off accordingly. The way we use the slicing blade, similarly we can use the finger chip and shredder blade as well. Now we will move towards our next attachment. This is juicer pot. We can see that it has a lock in it. We put the juicer pot between the bowl and the shaft and lock it. This is the big dome and the small dome. We put the big dome over the shaft and press it, and we keep the speed around 9 to 10 and press the on button. With the help of the big dome, we can make the juices of various fruits like sweet lime, orange, etc. This is the small dome. While keeping the speed around 9 to 10, we can make juices of various fruits. We can also scrape the coconut by using coconut scraper. For that, we need to attach the bowl properly, big shaft and the juicer pot, and attach the coconut scraper. Keep the speed on either 1 or 2 and press the on button to scrape the coconut. While using the mixer, we have to keep every item aside. We detach the top lock and put the mixer instead. When we rotate the mixer anti-clockwise, it gets locked. While using the mixer, we keep the speed at maximum. We can either use turbo or press on directly. We have two types of jars available: small jar and big jar.